Then of course, okay, the way that we did it last time, we start from the polynomial, we get the zeros, and then we put it back as factors. So we're doing it literally the other way around, okay? So now, the rest of them are just going to be just like the way we did the other lessons, because we're asked to find the remaining zeros of the function using the given zero. So one answer is given to you, okay, 2i. Okay, how many zeros are we looking for?
4.
Okay, there would be 4. So that means aside from 2i, there would be 3 more, right? But which one is the one that is free already for you to write down? There's one that's already there. The negative 2i. Remember, the conjugates are always zeros. So if they give you positive 2i, negative 2i is already one of the answers. So the only thing that we need to get are the last two. Okay, so let's start all over, do our p over q's. So now we just know we're going to find 2 more. Okay, so p over q's. The p is 4, the q is 2. So let's write down all our, bless you, our factors. So p is 4 and q is 2. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's list down all the numbers. Positive, negative. 1 over 1 is 1. Then 1 over 2 is 1/2. Then we're going to move on to the 2. 2 over 1 is 2. But 2 over 2 is 1. We already have the 1, so don't repeat it anymore. And then we'll go on to the 4. Plus or minus 4 over 1 is 4. And 4 over 2 is 2. And we already have that. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 to choose from. Alright? So all we need to do now is to try each one and find the last 2. So let's do our p over synthetic division. Okay, and there are no missing terms. So let's do 2, negative 1, positive 7, negative 4, negative 4. Make sure you always double check on the test. Double check if you wrote the right numbers. 2, negative 1, positive 7, negative 4, negative 4. So I'm going to start with positive 1. Okay, so this will be 2. 1 times 2, 2. Positive 1. 1 times 2, 1 times 1, 1, which is 8. 8 times 1, positive 8. Oh, it looks like it's going to work. 4. 4 times 1, yes, it did work. Yes. So that means we're going to add now 1 right there. But we have to have 1 more. So we'll continue. But this time, 2, 1, 8, and 4. Okay, we don't want to waste time, but remember this is why there are only 6 problems on your next test, because it might take a while. So who's going to take positive 1/2? Negative 1/2? Oh, do 2. Who wants to take negative 1/2? Let's see. All right, who will do negative 2?
It's not 2.
Okay, 4, negative 4. 1 more negative 4. Yeah, okay, so everything's done. All right, so which one doesn't work? 2. Positive 2 is the one that you did, right? So I'm going to just cross that out. So wait. Okay, what else? Who's done? Negative 1 doesn't work? Okay, negative 2 doesn't work?
Negative 4 doesn't work.
Negative. Okay, what about positive 4? Not working, right? So you said it won't work?
No.
All right. So we're left with the 1/2. Who did the 1/2? Lexi?
That's scary.
All right, so let's do 1/2 since no one will want to take it. All right.
Well, if the other answers are there,
Bring down the 2.
it has to be positive or negative.
It can be positive, it can be negative. So 2 times 1/2,
1.
1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times 1/2. What's half of 2? You're just taking half of the number always. 1, right? 8 plus 1, 9. No.
So it has to be negative.
So it has to be negative because that's the only thing left. Negative. Okay? So 2.
It is.
It is? Because it has to be because it's the only number we have done. Alright, because we already have the imaginary. Okay, in other words. So we got 2 times negative 1/2, negative 1, 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, and negative 1/2 times 8, which is negative 4, and that's a 0. Right? So we got everything already because we're just missing 1, which is the negative 1/2. So now where did 2i and negative 2i come from? From here in the bottom. Okay, if you write the remaining numbers, this is 2x squared plus 8 is equal to 0. But you don't need to show it, you don't need to solve it because we already have all 4 of them. They're given to us already. But just in case you're wondering where did that come from, it's from here. So if you do 2x squared plus 8 is equal to 0, you subtract 8, that will cancel. So you have 2x squared equals negative 8. Divide by 2, so x squared is equal to negative 4. And once we're down to x squared, square root it. So it's positive negative square root of 4i. And of course, that will give you the positive negative 2i that were given to us right away. That's why. So we do like the ones that were given some of the zeros already because it won't take too long. And I think on the test there's one of them is given to you. Alright, so let's do some more. Okay, same type of problems. So number 7.